I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. If you ever feel like you need a new chicken recipe, have I got the one for you. This is an oldie from BUNCO Nancy and a goodie. I used to make this chicken recipe all the time years and years ago, and then for some reason I think I kind of forgot about it. We ended up having a family gathering for Father's Day and I revived this dish. Everybody went nuts over it. Nancy always called this one crunchy chicken cheese bake, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. This recipe starts out with thin sliced chicken cutlets. I'm going to start out by covering this cookie sheet with some aluminum foil. I'll spray some olive oil on there. And I'm going to add my pieces of thinly sliced chicken. A little bit of salt and pepper. Now I'm going to add a little shredded mozzarella to the top of each one of these chicken breasts. About like that. Next, I'm going to use a can of cream of mushroom soup. I prefer cream of chicken, but I don't happen to have any today, so today I'm going to use cream of mushroom. I'm going to use the entire can and we'll just distribute evenly over the tops of the cheese. Next, I'm going to melt about 3 tablespoons of butter. To that, I'll add a big heaping cup of the stovetop stuffing mix. You want to make sure you get plenty of the spices in with that stuffing mix. You just have to be careful because sometimes the spices tend to settle to the bottom of the bag of stuffing. Next, we're going to need some tomato slices. Now, if you've got homegrown tomatoes on the vine, that is wonderful. I don't have any yet, so I'm going to use these nice little cocktail tomatoes on the vine. I think these are really tasty, and I use them year-round. I've got 5 chicken breasts, so I'm going to use 5 of these small little tomatoes. Now I'll just start evenly distributing these across the chicken. Sometimes you have to just kind of mash them down into the soup so they'll stick. Next, we're going to layer on our stuffing mix. Don't worry if any of your ingredients fall down on the sides of the chicken because later on we're going to scoop all that out. We're not going to let anything go to waste. And now this is ready to go into our preheated 350 degree oven for about 25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Now's the perfect time to go tap the like button, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. I let this go between 25 and 30 minutes. My kitchen smells amazing. Let's get this on a plate. This is when a glass baking dish may have been a little bit better option because you're going to want to scrape up anything that falls off during baking and put it right on top of the chicken. Fabulous. Guys, this chicken dish has it all. The chicken stays nice and moist, you got your ooey gooey in there, and you've got a little bit of crunch and a lot of flavor with the stuffing mix. I'm pretty positive this could become a new family favorite if you give it a try. I truly hope you have a fantastic week ahead. I'll be back again with you real soon. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.